I will never struggle with video creation again after learning this. Hedra AI makes it a breeze. All right, let's dive in. First, grab a clear, well-lit photo of your character. Upload it to Hedra AI. Simple as that. The platform automatically extracts the face and gets it prepped for animation. Next up, pick your audio. It can be a voice recording, a song, whatever you like. Upload that, and Hedra AI will sync the character's mouth movements to the audio. Now here's where the magic happens. Customize those animations. Tweak the facial expressions, eye movements, even the blinking rate. Make it look real and engaging. When you're happy with the setup, hit generate. Hedra AI processes everything and boom, you've got a video where your character is lip-syncing perfectly. Last step, preview your masterpiece. Make any final tweaks, then download and share it wherever you want. Easy peasy. Whether you're making educational content, marketing materials, or just having fun, Hedra AI's got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Go create something amazing.